Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Nubia Music. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge. Now click search and then select this browser and click install. Now you can click open, and here you can set this browser as a default browser, or you can click not now. Now you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And as you can see, my Microsoft Edge browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.